ladies and gentlemen. This is a proud moment for DMAPR that a function for the inauguration of DMAPR Guest House is being organized, and that too under the auspicious presence of our beloved Honorable Director General ICR and Secretary Dale Dr. S. Ayyappan, and also in the presence of Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anand Agriculture University Dr. A.M. Sheikh and Honorable Vice Chancellor of SP University Professor Harish Bhatt. DMAPR has slowly but steadily progressed under the umbrella of ICR, and its leaders have all blessed us to achieve the targets in a very phased manner. Today, its achievements can be visualized, and appreciation has been received at every moment whenever there was any visit by any outside guests and others, which always inspired us and strengthened us for doing the things in a better way. At the outset, we start with the ICS song, and therefore, let's begin the function with ICS song.
कृषि परिषद भारत की सुखद प्रतीक हरित भारत की कृषि धन पशुधन मानव जीवन दूध मत्स्य फल यंत्र सुवर्धन वैज्ञानिक विधि नव तकनीके पारिस्थितिकी का संरक्षण शस्य श्यामला छवि भारत की जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की हिम प्रदेश से सागर तट तक मरुधरती से पूर्वोत्तर तक हर पथ पर है मित्र कृषक की शिक्षा शोध प्रसार सकल तक आशा स्वावलंबित भारत की जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की।
Now I request our respected director, Dr. Satyavrata Maiti, to kindly welcome the dignitaries on the dais with a flower bouquet and a personal gift from the director. At the outset, I request our respected director to kindly welcome our Honorable Director General ICR, Dr. S. Ayyappan, with a flower bouquet.
You don't
I request our Honorable Director to kindly welcome the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anand Agriculture University, Dr. A. Sheikh. I request our respected director to kindly welcome Honorable Vice Chancellor of SP University, Professor Harish Bhatt.
Director General and Secretary Dear Dr. Ayyappan, Professor Sheikh, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anand Agriculture University, Professor Harish Bhatt, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sardar Padu University, the Engineer Mr. Garg, that Superintendent Engineer of CPWD, and I find that the galaxy of the scientists from my sister institute like Dr. Jai Kumar, the Director Sifa, the ex-Director Dr. Dalal, Dr. Patel, Dr. Katharia, Dr. Kurute, Dr. Rao, Dr. Daubhai Patel, Dr. Sanjay Singh, Dr. Kothari, and our the colleague Mr. Parmar, and so many others, Dr. Pandey, and my all friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure for me to welcome Dr. Ayyappan, who is the chief guest of today's function. And as you know, that Dr. Ayyappan is known for his visionary leadership with masterful insight and brilliant simplicity. And that is the thing what we always trademark is a brilliant simplicity. And as I told earlier also many occasions, the horizon of Indian agriculture system and also in particular our NRS, National Agricultural Research System, leap forward, offering him the space to place a new step of changes that will be visible in the 12th plan, because he has a lot of new ideas that is going to come in the system in the 12th plan or in the form of different platforms, research facilities. And the organization is proud to have such a dynamic leader who has the tremendous patience of hearing. That is another thing what I could find, the tremendous patience of hearing others, even if what they say are sometimes unrefutable. And that is the thing what we have seen. And another thing what I have never seen him that any time losing a temper, but only thing yesterday while coming, I could see that he also can be very, very strict for certain things when it is not in proper shape. It's his second visit to this institute. I welcome him on behalf of all of you in this. It is my again pleasure to welcome Honorable Dr. Sheikh, the Vice Chancellor of the Sanand Agriculture University, who will be presiding this function. And as you know that he is not only our neighbor, he is a good neighbor. And always good neighbor, what we do, always we share our joys and sorrow together. And that is the thing, he is witnessing the progress of this institute since the beginning. And probably he will be the better judge. And also like Dr. Dawabhai Patel will be the better judge to judge this institution, how it is progressing. And I welcome Dr. Harish Parr, the Professor Parr is a Vice Chancellor of SP University, who is here as our guest of honor. And our institute enjoys the cooperation and collaborations with the Bioscience Department at intellectual level by exchanging the students. And from the very beginning that we are having a very good liaison with this Bioscience Department. And actually that the Bioscience Department is feeding us with intellectual manpower in the form of students. And I extend one welcome to Mr. Sunil Kumar Garg, the superintendent engineer. And as you know that the guest house what you have seen, that it's the creation of the CPWD, and our every structure what we are here, even this building where we are sitting, it was constructed by the CPWD. So I welcome them and their kind cooperation and the timely completion of the project. And I extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries, to the distinguished guests, member of the DMFR families, media and the press representatives for responding to our invitations and making this function a grand success by your gracious presence. I take this opportunity also to remember the contribution of Padma Shri Sri Rajendra Singh Baroda, the Didian Secretary of the Department of Agricultural Research and Education and Director General of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, who laid the foundation stone of this institute on 31st March 2001. And very interesting statistics I was just going through. I found that all our functions, earlier functions, were in odd hours, and this is the only first function that we are doing in the even year. So if I'll give a little bit of that. Again, Dr. Manglara, the then Secretary, Department of Agriculture Research and Education Director General, who laid the foundation stone on medicinal plant botanical garden that you have seen where our guest house is there, and that was again in August 2003, and which has now international recognitions of Botanical Garden Conservation International London. And he also inaugurated the laboratory cum office building, the second phase, where we are sitting today. It was in 12th April 2005. The residential complex on 14th March 2007. See, all are the odd years. And all our previous DDGs, I wish to remember here at this stage, the DDGs starting from the Padma Shri Dr. K.L. Chadda, Dr. G.L. Kaul, who was officiating DDG, Dr. S.P. Ghosh, Dr. R.N. Pal, who was also officiating DDG, Dr. G.L. Kaul, G. Kallu, and Dr. H.P. Singh, who gave the parental care to this institute in its all developmental stages, starting from the birth to infancy, to childhood, to adulthood. And all of us have experienced the teething problem in our childhood, and this institute was not an exception. And I also like to remember at this stage that my predecessors, Dr. Krishnan, Dr. Raturi, Dr. Dalal, Dr. Boliram Tyagi, who were either as a director or as an officer on special duty, that contributed for development or creation of this institution. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel proud to say that we practice the 5 universal principles of good management in this institute, such as we work for the God, not for the boss. I think my boss should not be very angry by saying. And we are proud of our organizations. We have faith in ourselves, and we have the courage to serve the truth, because what is happening in this world, you find that normally we don't face the courage, and that's why we take the shelter of the untruth. And that is the thing what I am trying to imbibe to my young the scientists, that be firm, tell the truth, and everything will be all right. We follow the total transparency in our dealings, and even any purchase file or anything anybody wants to see, that is open to everybody. It's not that we keep it anything secret. And we always remember the honesty is the best policy. And our philosophy is to dig new knowledge from the face of the mind and convert it to fuel to power the society that pays for our groceries. That we always remember. That's why when our Director General, Honorable Director General gave the slogan, the farmers first, I felt that this is the time we must understand the farmers should not be a symbolic farmers, and we should do something for them at a real, actual basis. And I believe what we are taught in Bengali, I think I will tell in Bengali because our Director General understands it, that apnare bodo bole bodo sei noy, loke jare bodo bole bodo sei hoy. That means that who tells that I am the great, I am not the great. If others tells me the great, then I become the great. And with the same understanding, it's embarrassing to me to speak about it, that what is the achievements we have done. I always feel that it's like a beating of my own drums. I would leave it to your prudent judgment. If you feel that it is satisfying, that would encourage us to do more in future. If not, we shall correct the path. Sir, ladies and gentlemen, our mission is that we want to be thoroughly used up then when we die. For the harder we work, the more we live. That we rejoice in life for its own sake. Life is not a big candle to us. It's a sort of splendid torch which we have got to hold up in the moment, and we want to make it burn as brightly as possible before handing it to our future generations. Finally, I believe we have